Hello everyone, I am Nani. I am here to share my experience completing an internship at Webstack Academy where I worked with the Munch track. So let's get into the topic. At the primary task, we are going to discuss about the overview of the internship, full stack development, Munch track, project overview, conclusion. I am Nanigad, currently pursuing computer science and engineering at Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology in Hyderabad. During the internship period, I have learned a lot about full stack development, acquired knowledge in both the front end and the back end development technologies, including the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and server side languages like Nodejs. Internship goals. The primary goal of the internship was to gain the comprehensive understanding of full stack web development covering the both front end and the back end technologies. Through hands-on experience and the mentorship aimed to sharpen my skills in adding scalable web application. I want to apply the knowledge gained to real-world projects implementing the functionalities of a web platform similar to Urban. Full stack development. Full stack development referred to practice of working the both front-end and the back-end part of web application. It involves building all aspects of the software projects from designing the user interface to implement server-side logics and managing databases. On the front-end side, full stack developers work with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create responsive and visual appealing user interface. They utilizes frameworks like React, Angular, Vue to streamline development and enhance the user experience. For the backend, full stack developer use the server-side technologies such as Node.js, Python, Ruby, etc. to handle requests, process the data, interact with the databases. They design and implement APIs for communication between the front end and the backend. Full stack development also involves working with the databases like MySQL, MongoDB, etc. to store the data and retrieve the data efficiently. Developer uses tools to simplify the database interaction and ensure the data integrity. The Munch track. The Munch track is a popular technology for building the dynamic web application. It consists of MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. MongoDB is a non-SQL database used to storing data in a flexible JSON-like format, providing the scalability and high performance. Express.js is a lightweight and flexible Node.js framework that simplifies the process of building server-side application, handling the routes and middleware. Overview of the project. The hotel booking application is built using the Munch track. The app consists of several components, including home screen, my booking screen, hotel details screen, login and sign up screen, my account screen. The home screen displays the list of the hotels and includes a search bar and number of the guests for booking the hotel. Project overview. Homely hub. The key features containing the project are user authentication, allows users to sign up and log in and manage their profiles, update their profiles and passwords. Search and filters. Implementing the search features with the filters to enable user to easily find the property based on the location, dates, prices and amenities, enhancing the overall user experience. View listing. User can view detailed information about the accommodation including the photos, description, amenities. Property listing. Allow property owners to list their accommodations, providing the details such as images, description, amenities and pricing. Booking system. In booking system, develop a booking system that allows to users to Select desired dates, view pricing, confirm reservation, and real-time updates, availabilities, and booking status. User profile. Implementing the user profile where individual can manage their profile, update personal information, and track the property list activity. Payment integration. Integrate a secure payment gateway to handle the transaction, allow user to make the reservation and property owners to receive the payment efficiently. Responsive design. We have constructed the project in a responsive way, so let's get see our project Homely Hub in VS Code. Okay, now we are inside the VS Code. In VS Code we have the coded file. In the coded file we have three files: backend, frontend, and database. And if you open the backend file, we have so many files. In that app.js file is the main file which controls the total backend file. And in the front end we have node modules, public source files, and we have the component files. In the components we have the accommodation, home, my booking, payment, property details, users files. In css file we have all the css in the css file. And we open the terminal to see the output. We have to split the terminal for seeing both the backend and the front end, and we have to run the first backend to not get interrupted in middle. The backend is inside the coded file, so we change the directory into coded and we enter into the backend file and we run the server. And our server gets successfully run, and the database also connected successfully. And we run the front end. Front end is there inside the coded file, and it is inside the front end file, and we run the front end file. Wait. Our output get successfully. In our output it contains navbar and major part and the footer part. And in navbar it consists of an icon, logo, and search bar and search icon and a filter button and login section. And the major part, it consists of a property which in a card type, and it is hovering when we hover the button, and we are getting the property details, where it located and how much the cost for living in per night. And we have the button for moving to next page, and we have the how many days you want to stay in the hotel and how many guests are coming to stay. And we have the filter, we can filter the which type of data we want. For using the guest house, apply filter, we will get this type of data. These properties are suitable for us, and we will get, when we click a property, we'll get our property images and description about the property, and what are the places it offer, what are the facilities it's offer. And we are getting the payment section also by using the Stripe, and we are getting the map where the location is located, and we are getting the extra information of that place. For logging, for logging into the profile, we need to register first. We have to give our name and email, and a password, and phone number. And gmail.com. Our user login gets successfully, and we get logged in, and we have the account. We can change the profile by using the edit profile, and we can update the phone number, and we can change the name also. We can choose the avatar from the files, and we can change the password from here. And we have the my booking section. If we book any hotel in that, we can see here the hotel is booked, and my accommodation. We can create a new place, new property, and we can hold it in the property section.